This is the interchangeable weeding tool and knife. It's supplied with one pin tip, which is great for weeding and air release. Blades are also available separately to use with this tool, which also turns it into a cutting knife. It's supplied with a safety cap, which means there's no nasty accidents in the workplace when you're not using it. The cap fits the pin and the blades, so you can keep it on all of the time when not in use. Here's a quick tip on how to change the blades. Remove the safety cap. With the thumb screw on the end, twist in an opposite direction to the body. Pop the end, which releases this end with the pin in. Insert your blade into the top end as shown. Retighten the thumb screw at the end, and if not in use, replace the safety cap. Similarly, to change the blade back to the pin, release the safety cap, loosen the thumb screw, pop the end to release the blade, insert the pin into the rounded area of the end, like so, hold the pin with one hand and tighten the thumb screw with the other. And again, replace the safety cap when not in use. That's the interchangeable weeding tool and knife.